Hi everyone, I'm Anna Garner and welcome to Cybility's Adventure Calendar. This calendar has 24 actionable tips for you to be safer online. And the way we do this is by playful content. So there are memes, cartoons, and mini games or mini challenges that take about a minute to play. It's totally free. And if you are a nice boy, a nice girl, you can win some prizes directly from Santa. So, how do you participate? Well, the link will take you to this page, and you can either click here to play, and you don't need to sign up, everything is available for free without sign up. But if you want to participate on the lucky draws, you should subscribe, and the way you subscribe is by completing this form here. The prizes are super cool and thanks to our sponsors. There are 3 memberships from Ipsudexo, card decks from Agile Stationery. For organizations, there are penetration tests and a deep web scam from Abcom IT Solutions. And from us at Cybility, individuals can get mentoring sessions, gift cards, and organizations can get security diagnostics and training sessions. So how does the competition work? There are 2 ways. 12 days, they will have a secret word. Usually it's the solution of a challenge. On those days, you have until midnight in the UK to submit that answer for a chance to get one of the Agile Stationery card decks. The other prizes will be drawn in the beginning of January, and you have to submit all the 12 words. So once you take it to the calendar, you can open a door. Each time you go, it's the days are randomly generated, so that's number 1. And when you click here, it will take you to a challenge, and this in this case is a crossword, and the solution for this crossword is the secret word. You also know that is the solution because you're gonna have the link here to submit the word on that day. And don't worry, the other days, the previous days are all still accessible. So even if you arrive here later in December, you can still find the secret words. And you have until the beginning of January to submit the 12 words. But it's all going to be explained to you once you subscribe. That's it. Have fun, good luck, and Merry Christmas.